Three, two, one. Hey guys, we're live. I'm your host, Isaac, and today we are going to be talking about RuneScape 3. So dive right in. RuneScape 3 just released a new player owned housing update. We actually joined a server, did the tutorial, and honestly, there's a lot of buzz about it. Some people are saying now that they added eternal planks, which are basically made at the sawmill with eternal logs. um they say it's a great moneymaker. um and yeah, so anyways, I want to get right into the game, so we're gonna go in. So log in. Boom. Yeah, so the next thing is um there is the summer um sunlight sands event that's happening. Um and I unlocked plenty of um tokens and plenty of um game items and overrides. Yeah, like, anyways, let's just get into this game. Sorry guys, we only have 5 minutes and I already wasted like three. So this is gonna be a very short video. I'm at incandescent energy right now. So to do player owned housing, you need to teleport to Port Sarim and run to the construction tutorial NPC guy there, and he will tell you to just do a few things like um, get wood and use the sawmill and the deposit box and things like that. Okay. Um, Another thing is um, the interface for your items looks different too in the game, and you also don't get your old setup of how your housing used to look. You got a new setup, you got a new house, and yeah, and it is a little better than the old system, um from my experience. And I want to show you guys my house, but I'm not going to do that right now because this video is like far spent. I spent too much time talking in the introduction. So yeah. um so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. My guy's wearing an outfit from the beach event. Um and my pet here, this flying seagull, um is new pet for the event. And yeah, um Claudia, the boss fight happens once every hour, every hour at 45 minutes after the hour. And yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.